beloved aficionados and budding leaders of the future. A thought on pain for introspection today. The best strategy to deal with mental and physical pain is to think globally. When many have endured and thrived, why not I? Let this be our maxim today. Sometimes the sufferings of others enable us to reflect on how blessed we are. There are umpteen number of people in pain emotionally, mentally, socially, spiritually, and are saying, there, but for the grace of God go I. Isn't it wonderful to recline on the Almighty to wade through? Walking a life in someone's shoes truly teaches to be more caring and understanding. Let us be empathetic, and we all know what goes around comes around. Let us treat everyone with respect and be one who do not request for an exemption to the rules, look for pity, focus on others, give before we get, refrain from complaining, seldom blow our own top, rather are very much concerned about the well-being of others. Let's model a positive behavior and acknowledge a higher power. As the rose that blooms amidst thorns, let us give room for the pain, the sculptor, to mold us into a lovely masterpiece. So let's shine. Oh, pain, waiting for your sting to shine. Wish you a dazzling day. Thank you, one and all.